What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Felicia back at it again. This time you're coming along with me on a day of a wedding, so stay tuned. After I greet the bride, I immediately ask the hair and makeup artist if it's okay for me to flip the switch on the light so that I could just use the available light. That's my fave. And I jump in and just start grabbing candid getting ready shots of them getting their hair and makeup done. I grab these photos once they're already at least 75% made up. Cause honey, even when we're getting ready, we want to slay. Definitely do not forget those in-between moments to capture because they add to the story and the feel of the day. Speaking of telling a story, pick up different things that are in the environment. It may be like this makeup kit. I don't know. Just do it. Yes, I paid for these lights being on later in post during editing, but it's all good. Typically, the bridesmaids have matching outfits. They're really cute. So I love to get them together and get a few photos of it. And I love adding to the experience by asking them, what did they do last night? Who got the most drunk? You know, just things that make them laugh and loosen up. And it just creates a nice moment for them to remember and adds to the experience of me being their photographer. For more prompts that provoke candid reactions, make sure you join Photo Tribe Facebook group. The link is down below. This is the portion of the day when the bride is going to get ready, so I made sure that I put her in what I thought at first would be some good light and framed her right in between these two doors for some nice composition. However, you'll see that I switch up where I'm standing because I didn't end up liking the light as much as I thought I would. So I decided to go over here to the window and have our best friend button her up from this way as well to get a different perspective and some better lighting. You guys, it's super important to know that you can move and give direction to your clients for whatever you need, whether it's composition or lighting. You are the expert. During the getting ready part of the day, I love to have the Sigma 35 1.4 on one camera, and when I'm coming in close for portraits, I come in with the 50mm on the other camera because the compression from this lens is going to be more flattering than a 35. As you can see, I'm setting her in good light so she can put on the rest of her accessories and just kind of sit back like a fly on the wall and let the moment unfold naturally. Now we're on to the first look with Dad before Bae. I decided to go ahead and do it inside where we were before because it wasn't melting outside and the guys were downstairs right outside the door, so we wanted to make sure she was unseen for this special moment. Here I gave Dad a prompt to give her some advice before she got married. It's okay to give your clients prompts to help them along and create moments. So this is the end of the video when I'm supposed to tell you to like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff because we are ending this segment here. However, I want you to be here next week because we are going to get into another part of the wedding day. Go ahead and comment down below what you would like to see next for behind the scenes tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure that you go on over to Photo Tribe, which is now your new favorite Facebook group. Until next time.
We beat to rap, what key beat to lock, but I'm like that, we freak like that, we zoom like that. We out, we out, we out.